Dear esteemed judges, my name is Ping Hui, and my teammates are Delvin and Kiwa. Now I'll be presenting our project, the Sustainability Design Study. In this project, we have developed a solution to a pressing challenge faced by businesses today, and we are excited to introduce you to our product called the Sphere. This project was born from a critical and urgent need highlighted recently in major publications like the Straits Times and the Business Times. As you can see, Singapore has delayed mandatory Scope 3 emission reporting for smaller listed companies. However, this delay isn't just a free pass, it's a symptom of a much larger problem. The reason for this postponement is that many SMEs simply lack the data systems, expertise, and budget to track their complex supply chain and life cycle emissions. The task is very daunting, gathering accurate data from countless suppliers, logistic partners, and throughout a product's entire life cycle. For an SME without a dedicated sustainability team, this is very expensive, confusing, and nearly impossible with traditional methods. This delay is a temporary reprieve. The regulations are coming, and when they do, companies that are unprepared risk falling behind, facing reputational damage, and losing their competitive edge. This glaring gap in the market, the desperate need for an affordable, easy-to-use solution, is exactly why we created Sphere. So while this news might seem like a setback, we see it differently. This delay is not a get-out-of-jail-free card, it's a strategic window of opportunity. This is valuable time for companies to build the robust systems they need for future compliance. Investors and major clients are already demanding transparency and verifiable climate data. SMEs that start this journey now can differentiate themselves, secure green financing, and win lucrative contracts. The message is clear. This is the moment to prepare and not to pause. And that preparation starts with having the right tools to capture accurate carbon data today, avoiding a frantic, costly scramble later. This proactive approach allows SMEs to position themselves as leaders in sustainability and not followers struggling to catch up. And the right tool to help SMEs is Sphere, which stands for Sustainable Planning for Holistic Emission Reduction Efficiency. Sphere is an affordable, user-friendly carbon emission calculator built for SMEs. It simplifies the entire reporting process by guiding users through their product's cradle-to-gate lifecycle assessment. This includes everything from raw material extraction, transportation, manufacturing processes, recycling, and packaging, all aligned with international greenhouse gas protocol standards. Instead of overwhelming spreadsheets and expensive consultants, Sphere provides a centralized, intuitive platform. It empowers companies with limited resources to gain immediate visibility into their carbon footprint and build the capability for seamless compliance when mandates arrive. Most importantly, Sphere is not a black box like other existing tracking tools in the market. The formulas and assumptions behind our calculations are transparent and open to challenge. As more SMEs adopt Sphere, the data they contribute, or which are relevant to cradle-to-gate activity, help strengthen and expand our database. This means the platform grows smarter and more reliable over time, giving users greater confidence in their results. In short, the more SMEs that use Sphere, the richer the shared database becomes, and the easier it gets for future companies to get on board, benchmark, and act on their carbon reduction journey. Now, rather than just telling you about it, let me show you how it works. This video demo will walk you through the simple data input process and give you a preview of the comprehensive, actionable report that Sphere generates. And apart from being able to use the software interface to key in inputs, users can also use an Excel template to key in, where after they're done can be imported back into the software and can be automatically filled out. As seen from the video, this is a powerful output report generated by Sphere. At the very top, you can see all the key project details entered by the user. The data is then broken down into a clear visual pie chart, instantly highlighting which activity, be it materials, transport, or machining, is the largest contributor to their emissions. A supporting table quantifies this with exact values and percentages, with the highest contributor highlighted for immediate attention. For manufacturing processes, Sphere offers incredibly granular detail, breaking down emissions for every machine processes, including energy consumption and machining time, even for products with complex assemblies. However, what truly sets Sphere apart is its suggestive analytics. The system doesn't just report a problem, it actively proposes solutions. By analyzing the data, Sphere will suggest lower emission alternatives, like sourcing from a different region, using a different transportation mode, or opting for a more efficient machining process. It then automatically calculates the emission savings of this alternative scenario, presenting a clear comparison. These suggestions are highlighted in red, making it easy for users to identify and implement changes that will have the greatest impact on reducing their carbon footprint. This slide shows the executed file of Sphere that users can easily launch on their computer. And we have also built a convenient update system directly into Sphere. As we continue to improve the software, adding new features, databases, and calculations, users will be prompted, as you can see over here, to update upon launch. This ensures everyone always have the latest and most accurate version without the hassle of manual re-downloads, making deployment and maintenance seamless for businesses. The value of Sphere extends far beyond just compliance. It creates a powerful win-win situation for both industries and society. For industries, it delivers immediate cost savings by automating what is currently a manual and expensive process. It builds a competitive edge by providing the verifiable data needed to meet investor and customer expectations. And it enables tangible climate impact by identifying the most effective ways to reduce their footprint. For society, when SMEs can participate easily in carbon accounting, we accelerate progress towards our national net zero goals. It leads to smarter policy making based on accurate data and collectively contributes to a cleaner, more sustainable environment for everyone. Sphere makes carbon reporting affordable, accurate, and impactful at scale. In conclusion, Sphere is more than just a software. It's a strategic partner for SMEs navigating the essential transition into a sustainable future. It turns a regulatory challenge to a competitive advantage. Thank you for your time and attention.